Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making an introduction video for my statistics YouTube content. This is actually my 50th video, so I'm a little bit late to the game, but here I am now doing it. Okay, so on this channel I make our programming tutorial and statistics tutorial. Right now I'm focusing on our functions and what they do and how to use them. I have 30 or so videos in that vein, but I will eventually move on to general R programming tutorial, a longer video about the introduction to R programming, special topics, machine learning, deep learning, missing data analysis, and I've also developed an interest in cryptography. And I think the mathematical machinery that makes R great for analysis also makes R great for cryptography. Okay, so a little bit about me. I have 2 master's degrees, one in psychology and one in statistics. I have always had an interest in computers, building them, and how they work. I got started in doing computational things in undergrad. I minored in chemistry. And in that minor, I did computational chemistry work, and really enjoyed what I was doing. The programming, just working with computers, concerning myself with RAM, CPU usage, and all those fundamentals. In graduate school, I took a different direction, didn't pursue chemistry, went on to do psychology and statistics. I taught psychology for a while, and did enough statistics coursework to get a master's degree in it. So, in my graduate coursework, I really enjoyed our programming, and since graduating, I pursued it. I have a website, thatwithR.com, where I have a bunch of different things. I have 2 books that I host on the homepage. You can access for free. One is an introduction to our programming language and Keras. It will take you from knowing nothing about R programming to building deep learning models. Something I would have liked in graduate school. My other book is a little bit different. It's neural cryptography using Keras and R. So basically, you hide a message in a matrix of data, and the only way to get the message out is by using a neural network that you defined. I'm not promising that it's 100% foolproof, but I think it's a pretty good method, in my very biased opinion. Okay, so on the website I also have a software product, a mental health screener. I have a master's degree in psychology, and that's an interest of mine. And I packaged a collection of mental health screening tools in an R9 application, and am offering it as a product. Probably more interesting to you, I have a collection of R programming resources. I have my own tutorial. I have close to 400 R function pages that gives you the basics of a R function, the required argument, the optional argument, what it does, and example code. I also recognize that I'm not the only source for information. I've put some effort into collecting helpful resources, so you can go to external resources and find websites, blogs, books written by other people that I have actually read and recommend as helpful resources. I have a few more free R9 applications that don't quite rise to the level of a paid product. And yeah, that's about it. So I run thatwithR.com, and this YouTube channel, and it's basically a extension of that. I post my YouTube videos on my website and additional content. And basically, I'm branching out from Tapstar.com into video format, and I hope that this YouTube channel and the website will grow together. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.